Yo, can I be real with you for a second? I used to be scared of credit cards. Like I would see people talking about credit cards, building credit, statement balances, and I was like, I don't even get it. So I just stuck with my debit card, didn't even touch my credit card. And honestly, I was playing with myself. Somebody told me and broke it down to me. It was all a game changer. And I was able to use my credit card in the right way. So let's do this. I'm Eunice, and on this channel, we talk about money stuff nobody teaches us, real conversation and facts. So let's get into it. So first things first, what is a credit card? It's basically a loan, a short-term loan that you go to pay back. Think of it like this. When you use your credit card, you're not spending your money. You're spending the bank's money. Let's have an example. Imagine your friend gave you $50 for food. You didn't even earn that $50. You borrowed it. And now you owe your friend, right? Same thing with a credit card, except the friend is your bank and they are way less forgiving than your friends. So every time you swap your card for groceries, gas, online shopping, whatever, you're telling the bank, cover me right now, I'll pay you back later. And here's the thing that people get twisted. This is not free money. This is borrowed money. You're literally just pushing the payment to later. That's it. A lot of people mess up right here because they think, oh, I got a $5,000 limit. I'm rich. No, my friends, that $5,000, you got to pay it back. That debt is waiting to happen if you're not careful. So remember, you're not making money. You're not getting a bonus. You're literally just pushing your payment to later. That's it. A lot of people just get it twisted. Let's get to the second part of it. Who are involved in a credit card? All right, so every time you swap your credit card, there are three people involved in this mix. You as a card holder, the bank is the one that is lending you the money, and the store is wherever you're shopping from, be it Target, be it Walmart. Okay, so it involves the three of you. So it's a triangle. Here's what goes down. You walk to Target and grab whatever stuff you're grabbing. Swap your card. Target gets paid by the bank right away. That means that you owe the bank. The bank basically told Target, don't worry, I got them. I'll pay you later and you pay me back later. So the store is always happy. The bank is waiting on you. You got to pay them. So it's as simple as that. The bank pays first to the store and then you pay the bank sometime later. Okay, and this is the monthly cycle, and this is very important and you should note this. Now this is where people get lost, and it's actually super simple and you should get it. Every month with a credit card, this works the same because it's a cycle, and I'll walk you through how the cycle works and you will understand it because it's so simple. There's always three phases. Phase one, you spend your money. Throughout the month, you're using your card. Coffee here, you buy some groceries, you do some Netflix, you just do some Uber here and there. You keep swapping your card and the bank is covering you for it. So your life is good, okay? There's always a phase two, and this is the statement date. A bill drops at this time. So at the end of the month, the bank adds up everything you spend. That total is called a statement balance. They are basically saying you spent $800 of our money this month and here is your bill. Now, from this statement, your payment is always done on the due date. So you got like 21 to 25 days for this, and this period is called a grace period. Let's discuss about the grace period because this is a very good time to pay off your payment. During this time, you pay off with no interest. There's no extra fee. There's nothing extra you pay. You just pay whatever you owe. Go to the third phase where it's the due date. This is the deadline time. This is the golden window where you don't sleep on it. You have to meet the deadline. Due date is also called deadline. It's not flexible. You can't be like, oh, I'll pay next week. You have to pay it then and there. If you pay late, you're slapped with a late fee. If you don't pay enough, interest starts piling up on top of what you already owe. So what you do here is so simple. You pay on or before the due date. That's the whole game. So you have to pay before the due date. So that said and done, there are two paths that you should follow. When a bill comes, you have two options on the table. Option number one is paying it in full amount. What does that mean? You pay off everything you spent, the whole statement balance. What happens if you pay the whole statement balance? There are no interest charges, your credit score goes up, the bank sees you as a very responsible citizen, and you're winning it. This is a very good move on the way you do it, and the moment you do that, that credit card starts working for you. You get your convenience, you build your credit, maybe you even get cash backs, you get rewards, and you don't pay any single dollar as interest for your money. Option number two is paying the minimum. This is where people get cooked, because the bank will tell you, hey, you can just pay $25 this month if you want. It sounds good, right? But that is wrong. Why? If you pay the minimum, interest starts kicking in, and that interest is always added to your balance. So now you will owe more than you even spent. And you know what is gonna happen next month? Interest will be on top of that interest. Your balance keeps growing, and now you're paying money to even just owe the money. It is a total trap. Credit card works against you. The bank is basically betting that you will pay the minimum so you can charge you an interest forever. Don't give them that win. Just pay it in full during the grace period if you can. Let's have a real talk here. Credit cards rewards discipline. If you pay it in full on time every month, you're building your credit, you're getting your good stuff, your purchases are being protected, because credit card is a good tool. But credit card always punish confusion. If you don't understand the cycle, you're just sweeping without thinking. You're just paying minimums, and you got to end up in a huge debt period. Look, I'm telling you this because I lived it. And when I first got my credit card, I did not know any of this. I did not know about statement dates, grace periods. I didn't know any of that. I just thought it worked like a debit card. I would swap it, forget about it, and then I get random charges. I did not understand late fees, interest, and that used to confuse me a lot. So I just used to forget it, and then I jumped back to using a debit card. At least I understand the debit cards because I knew that was my money and I knew it was coming out. But I didn't realize I was missing out. I wasn't building my credit. I wasn't getting any protection of my purchases. I wasn't getting any rewards. Once I actually sat down, I learned how it works. Everything changed for me, and now I use credit cards as a smart tool. I pay it off every month in full. My credit score is going up, and I'm so happy about it, and I'm actually working with the system the way it should work. And that's what I want you also to work, a system that works for you. I'm using the system the way it's supposed to work, and that's what I want also for you. If this type of content resonated with you and you liked it, make sure you drop a comment and let me know what topics you want to know about credit cards, and let me know if you're team credit or team debit like me. Basically, we're building a community and we would like to carry everybody. We can accommodate everybody, and we plan to make everybody understand, especially the beginner people that just want to start using credit cards. And we want to avoid the trap, and we want to win with using a credit card. So make sure that you follow and smash that button. And if you learned something, this helps the algorithm push this to more people who need to hear it. So also make sure that you send this to your home besties, to your friends, all those people who need to hear about credit cards. Let them just know, and we all need to level up together. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.